Huh. It's like it's almost darker. But this might be okay though. Just let's see. As long as the charts are fine. No pants. Music. Music. Let's go, Lucas. Let's go. Let's go. I like this whole new Lucas. Make those monies, leave the monies, and move on. Is the music playing? Please don't stop the music. Ayo. Okay. Perfect. That's what happens when you don't plug the computer in, I think. Anyways, but good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Set that up. Let's go. Are you not in Discord days? If you're not in Discord, that's why you're missing out. Not kidding. It's up 270%. And then you're asking, like, is it okay to get in now? Right? Look at this thing. It's been pumping for days now. Pumping for days. Right? The news was posted as soon as it came out at 20 something cents. It's at 97 cents now. And you're asking if you should get in. Right? So today I want violence, so I'm going to ignore that question after roasting. Good morning, Yogi. I'd much rather be trading, although I did make on vacation. Let's go, Yogi. Are you back? Welcome back. Lucas, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Natalia, good morning. Jay, good morning. Virus and Thrust. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Doche. Good job today, by the way. Nicola, good morning. Zum, good morning. Dave, welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning. Claudia, good morning. Laura, good morning. Cooking. TK, good morning. River, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hi, happy, what's today? Wednesday. WZ, Ayo, Eric, Ayo, Nikolai. I said hello already. Charles, I keep telling you, like, come join us in Discord. So don't ask me if something's okay to buy still when it's up 300%. Because then I just want violence. KITT with a little bit of a pop. Lynn, good morning. CM, good morning. Alan, heyo, heyo. Raven, good morning. Nemo, good morning. Almost done for the day. Like most of you guys in the chat have made so much money already on ABLT, ALBT that you're almost done for the day, right? A lot of you guys are almost done. Some of you guys are done already, right? Yeah, there you go. You have monies to want to FOMO into something at resistance though, right? And then lose that money. Right? Chris, good morning. Pan, good morning. Grunting, ayo. uh, yeah, it was a long time ago, wasn't it, Virus? 30 minutes ago, this thing was posted in Discord. So, um, yeah, exactly, WZ. Good morning, everybody. Pan, good morning. Menor, good morning. Yeah. You missed it too, Nikolai. That's okay. That's okay. Let's see if something does, come out of this when the market opens. It is. It is. It is. I feel like I'm missing something. It is a top gainer, right? CPI also came out this morning, guys. Um, yeah, and the markets have kind of been doing some funny stuff, but they're green, right? I think the reason why we're green today, but not like a crazy green, is because we had a pretty big day yesterday. Somebody always knows, what's coming, and even if they don't, somebody will always change the estimates, and then so they know. Anyways, so they know exactly what's gonna happen. But who are we kidding? Anyways, and good morning. Let's go, let's go. So ABLT, guys, is looking a bit sus now at $1, which is not a big surprise, right? If a stock goes from 25 cents to 99 cents, $1 is going to be a big level, right? So if you're buying right below $1, you're asking for violence. So let's see what happens here. Again, it looks a bit, interesting. failing at a dollar. You can kind of see all those wicks at the top, so that's a bit concerning, right? But I mean, it's holding the kernel and the 20, and it's still up 260%. So this is kind of maybe one of those first sell-offs, because like I mean like it's gone sideways a few times. It really hasn't crashed. So that might just be the same thing over here. It might just be going sideways and then back up, right? Who knows? So let's see, right? We've talked about that pre-market curse, though, right, guys? The good old pre-market curse. Anything that's at the top of the list ends up getting slapped to the abyss. So hopefully that doesn't happen, right? Hopefully that does not happen. But yeah, we shall see. La, 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 la. Or do a mistake trading at 4 a.m. My almost Paul. Maybe someone can tell me, oh, do I mistake trading from 4 a.m.? Are you making mistakes? No, you're not making mistakes by trading at 4 a.m. People trade at 4 a.m. to 7 all the time. So I don't think I don't think I understand your question. Ayo, Kimbella, the criminal. The criminal, Kimbella. I'm talking to myself, guys. I don't know why I'm talking to myself, but I was asking Virus, are you Eastern time? So 51 minutes ago, the news. Mm. Yeah, no, I was muted for some reason, and then I was talking to myself. So yeah, uh, let's go. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet and you want to join us, you know what to do. You know what to do. Again, good week, guys. Like we said this on Monday, right? As soon as we started the week by having a name that went up 700%, it was going to be a good week. If you start Monday and something's up 700%, yup. Better be ready for chaos every day of the week, Better be ready for chaos every day of the week, and that's exactly what's happening now. So I'm pretty sure every day this week we've had something that's gone up 200% at least. Maestro, ayo, good morning, which is fun. There we go. Yeah, well, so I don't think anybody should be really surprised. Yeah, what's expensive? What's expensive? Is the S&P still green? Yeah, still green. Can we get another 2% day in the market today, guys? Just push to 450 today. Is that too much to ask for? I don't think so, right? Nvidia looks nice, right? Nvidia is at 119 now. Nvidia just looks like it wants 120 at least. That thing just looks like it really wants 120, which is nice. So that's the tough thing about like wanting to sell these things, AO Grim, like wanting to sell these companies like Nvidia, and thinking that we might go back down is like, it's just like the market is just so sus. And these companies are amazing. So you take 120, yeah, $120. Some of the other names that we're paying attention to, SERV has done really well, guys. Impressive. These guys had earnings last night, and the market seemed to like the earnings, and it's done really well today. So it looks really good, SERV. So congratulations if you're playing with this one as well. Did I miss putting SERV? I might have actually. Hmm, I did. Good. EMD looks good. Yeah. Let us cook today, please, and thank you, Virus. Let us cook today. There's a whole bunch of names that I'm paying attention to here this morning. Like Edible and DGLY, BURU. There's a whole bunch, but none of them really look as good as ALBT has been this morning. So and SERV does look good. So even though it's kind of double topping at like 14, 14, 25, 14.30. Alrighty. Na 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 na. Spy runs, it'll make your day. Are you still in those calls? Let's go, TK. Yeah, make sure you don't let them go red though. Otherwise, you might be crying a little bit. There you go. You're still looking at M goal. Am I still looking at M goal? Uh, there's not very much that I look at for too long. Um, I don't like to overstay my welcome. So if I'm not talking about M goal, I'm probably not looking at it. Why does some news come through on the news? No, 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 SGD. SGD. Safe and green. This thing likes to pump and dump every once in a while. I did not see any news. Okay. Edible looks okay. Bouncing up the 200 EMA there, that's not too bad. Let's go, Eric. Let's go, Eric. Congratulations. Well done. Um, yeah. Let's go, Nikolai. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Arena investors. Let's see how long that thing can run for, and then go from there. Nice looking, interesting looking W of the 200 for edible. It's coming up to resistance though, 145, 150. So I'd be careful up there with that thing. And then SGD is kind of the same thing. And then obviously you can kind of see ABLT still selling off, right? So maybe a retest of this last breakout at 82 cents maybe and the 50 EMA. If you've missed, the that incredible run from pre-market, and it's sitting at resistance. Anytime a stock is getting close to a dollar, if you're FOMOing close to a dollar, you're just asking to be slapped. Is what you're asking for. Um, so, na 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 na. Yeah, exactly, Paul. So yeah, give it a try, and if you don't like it, then you could always, just yeah. Alrighty, there goes SGD. New highs of the day: 46 pennies. 46 pennies. Good morning, Anne. You got in at 12. This morning at 13, went back in 100 shares at 13. How should I handle your stop loss? Please and thank you. So you got back in at 13. So at the very least, and you're not going red on that position, right? At the very least, you're not going red on that position. So just knowing that this is a scalp for you because you've done that once already. So clearly, this is a scalping position for you. I would pick a level, right? So, and say, okay, like I'm not willing to go below this level. It kind of looks like it's finding a base at 1380. I'd be looking for that level for me would be 1350. Like it has to stay above 1350, right? You might be okay going a little bit higher, right? And if that's the case, then that's good. At least you're locking in more monies, right? But for me, like I would not let this thing go below 1350, and then you're losing your profits. Already, cool, cool, cool. SGD is still cooking there. Oof! Here comes a test of 50 cents. Safe and green for the whole family. I It's a pretty cool name though for a stock, isn't it? Safe and green. Don't worry, guys. You're safe and green. Good morning, Rigo. Good morning. What's your position in AKTS? AKTS. Let me know what your position is. I'll take a look. There goes 49 cents, 108%. Oof, nice. Nice. No, SPY needs to break 450 virus. Rubbish. Uh, there we go, 50 cents. It's a nice push. Did anybody FOMO into this one? SGD? Anybody FOMO? There goes 51. Let's go. You did, Brad? Nice. Congratulations. Let's go, guys. Paul is a new member. Welcome, Paul. Welcome, welcome. La, 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 la. Welcome, 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 welcome. No, 550 virus 550. My mistake. So Paul, so there's an invite link for you on the members only section. Um, right? So there's an invite link for you on the members only section on YouTube. So just click the link. It's going to bring you to Discord. And then just follow the steps and you should be good to go. Right? Um, exactly, Chris. Absolutely. Absolutely. Get to the education channel. Right? I I anyways, uh, yeah. Easy 10%. Let's go. Congratulations, Brad. Yeah, lock in the monies and move on, right? ALBT still selling off, guys. This might actually be a good thing that it sells off before the market opens. We have 9 minutes left. So, like I said, a retest of like 80 cents ish, the 50 EMA, right? So, if we were hoping that we get a bounce, we'd be hoping that we get a bounce at this price, right? Off the 50, if you look to the left hand side, it's resistance 1, resistance 2, breakout. So, retest, right? That's exactly what's happening over there. So let's see if we can stay above that level. Again, Paul, go to on YouTube here. There's a link. There's a Discord link on the members only section on YouTube. Just click the link and then it's going to take you to Discord and then just follow the steps. If you can't find the link, just send me an email. Email hottradesx@gmail and I'll send you a link. Alrighty? What's SERV doing? So if SERV is dipping a bit, yeah. There's a double top at 1430 there, and there goes 86 pennies. 86 pennies. What are these other names doing here? SGD is stalling a bit. Yeah. I mean, honestly, anytime a stock gets to like 50 cents like that, you want to be very careful, right? 50 cents, when we're getting to a psychological level without a dip or a retest, that's not the level you want to be jumping into, is it? Right? So NVIDIA is still looking okay, and the S&P is still looking okay. So it's interesting how they're just kind of stalled at the top, though, almost like they're, they need, almost like they need 135. There we go. La, la, la. Okay, perfect. Rigo, so 85.085. Good morning, Cajun. Ayo. Good morning, everybody, if I missed you. AKTS is the stock, right? Okay, let me take a look. AKTS. Yeah. So you're in at 0.085. So you're kind of break even on this position for now. The good thing about this one is that, like, your entry is actually good, right? It's not like you bought this thing at 11 cents and you're deep red now. The daily really doesn't give us much because it's a garbage company, garbage stock that's been selling up to the abyss. Um, uh, yeah, when I call a company garbage, I'm not calling nothing personal. I just, Anyways, if I was in this position, I would be okay for now, right? I'd be okay with it for now. As long as it stayed above 8 cents, I'd be fine with it. Dylan, good morning. Justin, good morning. Laurie, good morning. So as long as 8 pennies holding, I'm okay with it. GNPX with some news there. And there's a beautiful curl still. I mean, it kind of looks okay. I mean, yeah. Let's see what this thing does into the open. Rigo, okay. So, you know, I mean, when that thing goes to to a price like that, anything that's below a dollar is garbage. Doesn't matter though. We're still gonna play with it. It's business. We still play with them. But just so you guys know, Nvidia, Nvidia just cooked. Sheesh. Nvidia is at 19. Wow, 119.50. Damn, that 120 is really coming. Maybe before the market opens. Uh, uh, Sometimes. Uh, You wish you bought Nvidia at 91? Oh yeah, of course. That's just how it is. um, how do you have a problem already, Paul? What's your issue? Did you see the link? Like, what are you having issues with? Right? Let us know, and then I'll kind of walk you through in terms of like what to do. Let me know, please. Um, Good morning, Monty. Again, there's videos in the Getting Started channel how to connect and then be good to go. There's videos in there that shows you how every channel works. Um, so let me know, please, if you have a specific issue. Exactly, right, Jay? Exactly. Yeah, that's because you're not following the steps. Right. So go to the Paul. Go to the. I pressed the link and accepted invitation. Yeah, perfect. So go to the Getting Started channel is the only one you have, right? You have to connect. You have to follow the steps in that channel, and it's gonna unlock all the other channels. Uh, Already. So let me know if you're on a computer or a phone, and I'll kind of tell you what to do. If you don't follow the steps, I'll just tell you what to do. No, 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 no. Yeah. Did Nvidia just get slapped? I mean, I mean. Anyways, so back to 80 cents. You're on your phone. Um, do you have a computer close? Anyways, if you're on your phone, on the left-hand side, you're gonna see like a little picture. It's like a little picture of like your username, right? Click on that, right? You want to click on that. That's basically clicking on settings, right? Settings, right? Click on that. Click on connections. Click on YouTube. Sign in. You're good to go, right? Like it's yeah. So there's pictures in the Getting Started channel that shows you every step with arrows on them. Like click on this. If you're on your phone, do this. If you're on your computer, do this. So in the Getting Started channel, just scroll up a little bit and follow those pictures, please. Reverse psychology. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. We open in less than 2 minutes in the minute now. So yeah, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. So you don't have to worry about it when the market's open. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, you know what to do. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us. Alrighty. Again, if we look at the pre-market gainers list, guys, ALBT is obviously number one on the list. This thing had news earlier, right? It was posted in Discord. And it went up, 300%. So really good run. It looks like we failed at $1, which is a psychological resistance level, and we're trying to double bottom or find a bit of support at 80 cents here. So let's see if we can hold 80 cents. Samad, good morning. Um, Today I'm gonna need to do Husa. Jericho, good morning. Husa. And we are open. Let's see if we can hold above the downtrend there, guys, at 80 cents for this one. Alrighty, and then some of the other names. So it looks like we are bouncing here for DGLY up that 35-cent demand zone. So that's a good thing, right? So perfect. Nice little double bottom there. Still dipping on this one, so that looks interesting. SERV is, kind of playing game still, but it's a really nice gap up. Nothing to see there. This one failed at 50 cents. NVIDIA is dipping a little bit, which it's a gap up, so people take some profits at the open, and yeah, and the S&P is pushing above 543. Make sure I say the right number. Anyways, so again, if you're not sure what to do at the open as usual, just give it a few seconds, right? Let the market relax a bit, let people take profits, and then make your decision. Ready? Cool. Uh, let's go, Justin. Good morning. Good morning. I think I missed your initial comment. Good morning. Paul, again, so go to the getting started and scroll up, and there's going to be pictures right there on exactly what you need to do. Alrighty, and then you should be good to go. Should be good to go. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's holding 40 cents, doesn't it, Justin? So let's see. Do typical market open volatility. Typical. Let's go. Do do do. 1390 from $10. Nice. Well done. Yeah, SERV has been a nice stock for most people. Very nice. GNPX had that news earlier. Looks like it just popped to the highs. GN. I don't really care what the news is, but it looks like we at some point put a line up there at $1.15, and it looks like that line is still acting as resistance. Freddie, good morning. Ayo, Yi, good morning, good morning. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, it looks like ABLT is kind of holding 80 cents, even though it broke below at the open. This is why, like, some of these support levels are they're not the best when, like, the market's opening, right? Because we can easily go below any support or resistance when there's volume. So DGLY is also kind of still holding, right? It's a demand zone at $1.25 ish. So it looks like we popped at that level. And then ALBT just dropped again, right? So see what I mean? Like, again, when the market opens, if you're not sure, like in terms of what to do, just sit back. Just sit back and relax. Because these things go crazy. Alrighty? These things can go crazy. Let's see. What do we have on the list here, guys? What do we have on the list? Okay, let's create another watch list here, actually. Hmm. Yeah, let's see. You got stopped out on edible. Yeah, edible likes to pump and dump for some reason, like quite often actually, which is frustrating. But quite often, that thing likes to dump to the abyss. Uh, let's go. Congratulations, Wes. Good job. And what's my trading view setting? There's a video for members on YouTube. To see my settings. Yeah, you should be able to watch that video dazed. I think. Yeah, you should be able to watch that video. So just go to just go under the members only section. There's a video that says my trading view setup or something, or my chart setup. I think it's my chart setup. So yeah, watch that video and you should be good to go. My chart setup. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm too busy. I'm too busy trying to. I'm too busy looking for scalpies, you know. So I've kind of ignored everybody this morning. That's okay though, guys. Right? That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Right? That's okay though, right? Let's see. Mm, interesting cap. Don't worry, we are all Jonathan. I know, right? Can I post a link? It's under the members only section. Dazed. I'll see if I can find the link and post it later. Just give me. Just let the market relax a bit, though, right? Just let the market relax a bit, and then we should be good to go. Doo-doo-doo. Let us cook, guys. Let us cook. Uh, welcome, Paul. See, welcome, 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 welcome. You did sign up for a level that doesn't give you access to the signals, but that's okay. That is a okay. That thing looked like it only gave us like a little tiny, tiny scalpy, didn't it? Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, it's like a little tiny, tiny scalpy. That thing is gonna play games. Looks like we just pushed up to the 9 and then came back down. Little tiny scalpy. Let's see what it does. Oh, he is. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, because YouTube said Discord community for some reason. La 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 la. Edible. It's flushing. Yeah, so is this one now, right? So a little tiny, tiny scalp on this one, but then it failed at the 9. So obviously that's still very weak, very very weak, right? So with stuff like that, you must just have to take those gains when it starts to struggle like that, or at the very least move that stop loss up, right? Yeah. Your next support on this one will be closer to like that double bottom right there at 63-ish. So let's see if it can tap that level and then consolidate. DGLY, guys, is looking good. So again, we came down to that demand zone at around $1.25 and then pushed back up. So that looks good. Your next resistance, if you look to the left hand side, is again. So when that thing like gave you that liquidity drop, it created that supply zone. So around $1.75 for resistance for DGLY if you're watching that. Nothing happening here with SGD for now. GNPX feel that resistance. Again, this is why we leave these lines up there because I would have never guessed that there was a random resistance right there, but obviously it just went up and tapped it and then said thanks guys, goodbye, right? Straight to the abyss. So other than that, though, SERV looks okay. SERV came all the way down to 12. Oh my goodness, and look at that, 1270. So again, hopefully you sold that thing, Anne, right? And then you might have even got back in cheaper than your last entry, right? So maybe even cheaper than your last entry, and that would be perfect. Welcome, Paul. Welcome, 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 welcome. So yeah, take a look around. Take a look at all the channels, please. Right, there's a video in the Getting Started channel that says that shows you how every channel works in Discord. So please make sure you go watch that video, spend some time in the education channel, and then go from there. Alrighty? Testing? Knowles, what are you testing? What are you testing? And then ALBT looks like it's, for now the low is 65-ish. 65-ish. Oh, I see. Okay. Perfect. NXPL. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, it looks like we're back to that 68 again here. NXPL. Ooh. That was a really good sell-off into the open, actually, Grim. Only concern is that it has resistance at $1.15 as well. Whenever I don't know, maybe it's PTSD, Grim. But whenever a stock is getting to like $1.15 to $1.20, I'm always skeptical. I'm always like, yeah. And that thing just gave us a red candle, right? So anytime a stock gets close to $1.15, I'm like, let me give it a second to see what happens. 103. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. No, way better, way better. That's a good curl off the bottom too. So yeah, I like your entry. There goes DGLY, guys, with a nice little pop. Right, that was actually a nice drop at the open. It was a good drop. It's a good drop at the open. Yeah, so it's going to need to break and obviously breaking, but close above $1.75 is what it needs to do. So there goes 177, 178, 179. That candle has 30 seconds left on it, but it looks good though. Looks really good. So congratulations if you're in this one, guys. Congratulations. The only annoying thing with candles at the open is just when they drop. Uh, Nvidia. No, Nvidia was a gap up though, so Nvidia had to sell off at some point. The entire market sold off, right? Yeah, the entire market sold off. I think what these guys did was they priced in all of this stuff yesterday. So, um, no, that's okay. No, that's okay. Yeah, the entire market got slapped. I think, just looking at the market and seeing that it was a gap up on that news, but it wasn't a crazy gap up. You could almost tell that it was coming. Could almost tell that it was coming. Uh, okay, perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's see if this one can find a bit of a base here at 63-ish. If not, then maybe it's done skis. Maybe back to 68. And it's really done nothing though. Even though it's sold off, it's still kind of sitting in that same silly range there. This on the right hand side, that's BURU, guys. That looks nice actually. Yeah, Grim. I know you don't. That was a nice. That's a really nice curl. Actually, that's really really nice. BURU. So 185 ish, all the way to 220. Really good bounce. And then SERV looks like it's trying to double bottom off 1290, 1285. Good push. And NXPL still looks okay though. Even though it dropped in that one candle, it's back up to like $1.15. So looking good. Looking good. Yeah. So it just needs to break out and send it for you guys. Break out and send it. You can tell though, like we're still in that little weird spot in the market, right? Where like we're trying to decide which name is gonna be the one that cooks. Yeah. So let's see. A few good names, a few rubbish names, and hopefully, yeah. Highs of the day for BURU, guys. Your last resistance, which is a pre-market high, is $2.45. So just be careful though in this range we're sitting at if you're in it. Please and thank you. Just be careful. Be careful. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo. Love it. Love it. What are we doing with the other two here? So this one's filling at resistance DGLY. So that 180 is a bit of a problem. ALBT. Again, it looks like it's holding support at closer to 65, but it really needs to crawl back above the 9 and get back above the VWAP. Alrighty, so it really needs to get back above. It's back to 69 cents. So it's still in that same silly range here. Still in a bit of a silly range here. So let's see if we can get back above 70 cents and then cook from there. And then we will see. But it kind of looks like that pre-market curse is still a thing though, doesn't it? Right? Anytime you're going into the open on a name that's at the top of the list, be very careful because it's cursed. It is cursed. So, but usually they give us somewhat of a run though, somewhat of a bounce, and then back to the abyss. So this one's trying to get back above 70 cents here. And there it is, back above 70 cents. And it is. See if we get back above the VWAP, and then the so as long as that thing stays above the 200 EMA, like I've said a few times, there's always hope, right? If it goes below the 200, then there's no hope. Let's go, Justin. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Is finally reversing on the 5-year chart. A 5-year chart? I have no idea. I have no idea. I would need to go look. I'll look at some point. There we go. Almost back to 72. Come on, give Justin that 73, please. Give him 73. There it is, Justin. Almost. You're so close. Look at this, Justin. Welcome back to the markets. Now, stay away, please. Stay away from futures. Stay away. Is it too late to get in? Probably not, but you're taking a bigger risk than you should be at that point, right? So, and here comes 73. Boom, skis. There is Justin. 73 pennies. I'm loving it. Welcome back. Welcome back. BURU is cooking. Oof. It's approaching that double top now, though, right? So there it goes. New highs of the day for BURU, guys. Sheesh. Damn. That thing said, excuse me. Excuse me. I'm the captain now. Again, just be aware that you have double tops there, please. And it's filled. Let's go, Justin. Look at that, guys. Welcome back. Love it. NXPL is still failing at that resistance. So that $1.15 is obviously resistance. Alrighty, obviously resistance. And then BURU just needs to break out there. Do, 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 do. You dumped it? uh, there goes BURU, guys, cooking. That thing said, let me break out, please. Yeah, perfect. So you made money then, Nikolai, is what you're saying? Yeah, that initial play wasn't good enough, though, was it? Like it was a bit of a bounce. We've obviously bounced off support, but it wasn't good enough. Like it wasn't, you know. But yeah, there it goes. 269. Love it, E. Love it. Monies. Monies. La 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 la. There you go. You didn't put a stop loss? Yeah, you have to put a stop loss, please. Anyways, I mean, it's still looking good though. Like we're still trying to get back above 74. So this is the level we failed at last time, right? So it's still trying to get back above. So yeah, 75 pennies. Good curl. Good curl. Uh, hmm. Cool. Okay. You do? Okay, sounds good. Bring all your questions, please. Aussie questions. There goes 75 cents. Ooh, that's a really nice curl. Very nice curl on this one. 76. Hello, Mikey. Uh, yeah, exactly, Justin. Exactly. Just you can keep stacking those and stacking those and stacking those, and you're gonna be fine, right? Stacking those, and you should be okay. Been busy. I know, Mark. I know. I knew it. You scalped $700. 750 at the open. Thanks. Let's go. Let's go. I choose the contest. Let's see. Let's see. What do we want to do for a contest, guys? Mark is doing a giveaway for a legend membership. Let's see. Let's see. A contest. Mark, well done. I knew you were scalping serve since last night and this morning. That was your main play. What do we want to do for a contest, guys? For a giveaway? BURU is cooking, guys. My goodness, look at that thing go. Again, congratulations if you're in this one. Congratulations if you're in this thing here. Whew. My goodness, what a beauty. What an absolute beauty. La, 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 la. Is it oversold? Nikolai, wrong thing to be focused on. At 34 cents, Mikey, did you take profits this morning though? Hopefully you did. Yeah. No, Mark has been playing that thing since last night and then early pre-market. So he's been scalping in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So, la 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 la. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. You did? Okay, good job. Well done. Yeah, because it looks like we're just failing at the same level here for ALBT. So, like I said, if that thing can stay above that demand zone at the bottom and the 200, there's still a chance that it runs. But if it breaks below, then you might as well throw it in the garbage because at that point it's done. DGLY. Some of these ticker symbols are really hard to say this morning. So it looks like that one also hit supply, right? Pre-market resistance around $1.80 and then backed off. So for some reason, it's the 80s this morning that are, causing a lot of resistance. A lot of resistance. Yes. There goes 275 again. La, 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 la. Yeah. Dugly, honestly, line. Yeah. We might need to. I might need to call it that because that symbol is not the best to say. La, 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 la. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it looks like we tapped 280 again and then backed off. So 280 is the problem. Let's go, let's go. So again, Mark is doing a giveaway, guys. So Mark is doing a giveaway. Mark has made some nice monies this morning and he's giving back. So Mark is giving away a legend membership, which is very cool. Mark, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Maybe do a giveaway to the people that like the stream. Let's do it. Yes. I like it. I like it. I like it. So today, instead of like the keywords or like just random giveaways, if you've smashed a like, you will be entered for the giveaway. So I'm just gonna pull up the bot and then set it up that way. Alright, you guys. Do I need to sign in? Of course, I'm gonna need to sign in again. Actually, no. Cool. So again, people that have smashed a like will be entered for the giveaway. Alrighty. So, yeah, perfect. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Mm, do, 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 do. Okay, smashing the like, and then so make sure you smash a like, guys. We're gonna leave that for like a minute or so. But again, if you've smashed a like, you're entered for the giveaway. So it's gonna be a Discord membership, a legend membership. Alrighty. Let's see here. So la 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 la. Okay, that's cool. That's a cool way to do it, actually. So what the bot is asking for is two things. So smash a like and then type in uh, just type in 188 in the chat already, because let's go. Yeah. So again, smash a like and then type in 188 in the chat. Cool. 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 Perfect. 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 Let's go. So yeah, smash a like and type in 188 in the chat. And then you should be good to go. All of you spammers, and then that'll give you a. Let's see here. Perfect. So you can smash a like and type in 188 in the chat. Let's do that for 30 more seconds, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, I had no idea you could do that actually, but very cool. Very cool. I like it this way actually. So now we can, we can actually smash like, right, for some giveaways. Good setup. 188. It's making a move, Days. Okay, I'll take a look. So again, smash a like. Smash a like and type in 188. It's almost like an activation thing, so the bot can check that you've actually smashed a like, right? Yeah. So smash a like, type in 188, and then Mark is gonna give you a free Legend membership for a month, and then you can cook. Alrighty. So again, BURU has a lot of resistance on 180. Alrighty. So 280. I keep saying 180. I keep saying the wrong number for all of these things. Yeah, GNLN. Nice little pop, actually. Yeah, nice pop. Like I said yesterday, as long as that thing stays above like $10, it has a chance. GNLN. As long as it stays above that level. And then ALBT is back to retesting that demand zone. DGLY still selling off, so there's nothing to see there. GNPX looks like it's curling, and the other ones are just kind of slacking. So GNLN, let me pull up another one here. Alrighty, guys, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway already. So we can stop spamming now, and then I'm gonna pick a winner. Well, the bot is gonna pick a winner. So let's stop spamming now. Alrighty, guys, and then let's pick a winner. So the winner for the giveaway, guys, is whoever this is. Whoever this is, I have no idea who that is, and I don't want to butcher your name either. So let me know if you're in the chat. So Ribati, let me know if you're in the chat. If not, I'm gonna pick somebody else. So let's give them like 30 seconds, guys, and if they don't claim in, then we can pick another person. Alrighty. The queen is the winner. Hashtag rigged. I know, right? Right. Yeah. So we're gonna give them like 10 more seconds, guys. Maybe they're like 5 minutes behind on the delayed. So um, hashtag rigged. Yep. Sheesh. They're still not in the chat, guys. So are we ready to pick another person? You don't need to spam the 188 anymore. The bot is just gonna pick another person from the list. Yeah, people. I bet you the delay. They're gonna show up like 5 minutes from now, and then they're gonna be like, "But I won," and then we're gonna feel bad. Yeah, wait a bit. Yeah, we might have to. Yeah, that's my old computer, isn't it? No. Um. Yeah. Draw another name out of the hat. Yeah. Yeah, wait a little bit. Okay, fine. I'll wait a little bit, guys. I'll wait a little bit. And then if they yeah. Lizzie says it's me. It's me. Yeah, I mean the good thing is that it's still holding that demand zone. It's still holding the support for now, ALBT. So that's good, right? That's good. So and there goes your pop. There goes your next little pop. So 75 is your next resistance up there. So we need to close above 75 cents. Was that 75? Yeah, kind of like 75, 74. Uh, hmm. You're waiting for 75? I mean, it was at 75 cents. Like really close. Really, really close. Really, really close. No, so the wick went to 76 cents, but it never closed at 76 cents. All Alrighty. So is it finally breaking? It's about time something broke. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. Nice push. Nice push for edible there. I'm surprised Michelle isn't pumping this one. Surprised she's not pumping it. La 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 la. Yeah. Okay, let's pick another winner, guys. Mikey. Mikey's actually been on stream and in the chat for a few days now too. So, um, Mikey. No, she just likes the stonk. Zum. I don't pick the winner, Zum. I don't pick the winner. The bot does. So let's go, Mikey. Congratulations. Mark, are you still in the chat? So Mikey, send me an email. Email at the top of the stream name. Yeah. So Mikey, congratulations. I know Mikey is always in the chat, so um, we don't need to wait on that one. So congratulations, Mikey. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. It's nice when like I don't know, you like members to win, but it's also nice when like a person that's not a member but like wins, sometimes. So Mikey, congratulations. Send me an email. Email hottradesx@gmail and I'll send you an invite. Alrighty. Yeah, no, GNLN looks good. So 1260. Good push. Really good push. Zom, when was the last time you went to McDonald's? Just asking. Play along. Play along. When was the last time you went to McDonald's? There goes the. Ooh, that thing is cooking. Sheesh. That was quick. Damn. Sheesh. Quick pops. And it's actually halted up. GNLN halted up. Yeah, it's salted. It has been salted up. So congratulations if you jumped into this one. That was a good breakout actually. Yeah, 1080 was a good breakout. You eat Whole Foods? Nice. Okay. Very nice. You kind of ruined it. But okay. Um, good. Good, good, good. That's good. Anyways, so ALBT is still looking good. So there goes 76 cents. 76. It was 5 years ago. Yeah. Um, yeah. And it's still failing to close above 75 cents. So clearly that thing has a problem. Yeah, so Mikey, congratulations. Thanks to Mark. I don't know if Mark is still in the chat or if he had a meeting to go to. He might have just done the giveaway and then ran. But yep. There goes the thing dropping again. So never really closed above. Let's see. Uh, uh, mm, uh, Yeah, that level up there is too much of a problem. All inclusive. Uh, all inclusive. Okay, let me take a look. Okay, Mike, I'm gonna send you an invite now, and then let me know when you click on it. Alrighty, let's go, Mike, let's go, let's go. Good job. Um, Lower highs, kind of. The reason I say kind of is because it's failing at the same level already. It's failing at the same level, so it's not really creating those lower highs yet. It's actually trying to create some higher lows, right? If you look from the bottom to like this bottom right there to this bottom right there, it's trying to, but it's still in a silly range still. Smed, how to be? Did you have the free membership? Then you maybe just have to upgrade. Then is what you're trying to do. You're just trying to upgrade. Upgrade. Could you look at an entry around 9? I mean, but still green door chip. Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Cajun, not yet. There we go. On halt. Oh my goodness, on halted, and that thing is cooking. Sheesh. Yeah, no. If you got into this one, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm surprised they didn't halt that thing again as soon as it on halted and then popped there. I'm just adjusting those. Sheesh. Love it, Mike. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. You want to know when GNLN was mentioned in Discord, guys? You want to know when it was mentioned in Discord? Yeah. So, um, yep. Crazy virus. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Has a quick pop. Quick pop. Yeah, Smack, click this join link. Click that join link there, Smack. And then you might just have to click on change level. Right? Just click on change level and it should give you that's how you join. Alrighty? So join the Discord level. $14.40. It's a very nice push, right? So yeah, these companies do splits, but we don't necessarily count them out until they break below $10 and stay below $10, right? So same thing for SERV, same thing for like GNLN. As long as they stay above like a $10 level, we're okay with them. Alrighty, so $15 you want to be careful if you're still in this thing. $15 you want to be very careful. Be very careful. That doesn't seem like a proper target. Uh, regrets. Uh, Now looking at 64, 25 and 60, 60. Interesting. So post CPI September rate cut probabilities on now looking at 68% for 25. Yeah, again, the Fed is going to cut rates. There you go. Mikey, did you click the link? You have not clicked the link yet, so let's go, Mikey. Let's go, Mike. Let's go. Love it. Uh, okay, sounds good. Yeah, let me know. Let me know in the chat when you do. La, la. It did, Raven. Yeah. Sometimes you need to get lucky, you know. There goes ALBT again. I mean, it's just playing games with us for now. Like it is holding that demand zone, which is a good thing, but it's really not doing anything on the upside, right? So if that thing breaks below the 200, below 64, dead, right? I'm actually gonna move this line a little bit higher here. So that's the range we're playing with for now on ALBT, right? Again, like I said, it looks like it's forming some higher lows, but right, it's also still struggling at the top there. Um, so yeah, so those are your levels. Those are the levels to be paying attention to there for ALBT. Let's go. Do, 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 do. No, you haven't clicked the link yet. No link click yet. It tells me when you click on the link, and then scalp opportunities. I like it. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Look at that, right? As much as it's failing, it's also like giving you opportunities constantly. So it's gonna need to break out at some point, though. Like it's really gonna need to break out here. ALBT really needs to break out. So maybe this is it, though. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. It's trying. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is we were kind of joking about it yesterday, right? Virus, it looks good, and then you're like, "Hey, Bitcoin looks good," and then boom, skis straight to the abyss. Um, that's Bitcoin for you. Bitcoin is like yeah, Bitcoin is on drugs. That's for sure. Yeah, on drugs. Sheesh, that 75 is such a tough level for this thing. Such a tough level for this thing. Good job on exiting that position, by the way, Mike. That was a good sell, right? Good sell for GNLN. GNLN. Yeah. Onto the exactly. Exactly. Sheesh, look at that thing. That thing failed at 75 again. 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 And now the spread is just becoming ridiculous. And the longer that thing stays there, the more annoying it's gonna get. to 75, back down, back to 75, back down. So it's only a matter of time. Either it's going to break and close above 75, or it's going to flush to 64 and then get destroyed to zero. And as soon as it breaks below 64, yeah, garbage. Straight to the garbage. Yeah. Jeff, you have a theory? Okay. Uh, Yesterday, today I'm trying the only time will tell. Yeah. Um, yeah, I'm just thinking about it. So usually what what I kind of based it off on was we're back to 75 again, guys. Was it having catalyst or just a stock that was looking good already, anyways? But I'll take a look maybe and see if we can prove that theory right. They go 76. Can we actually push this time or no? Or are we just gonna keep playing games here, guys? You're gonna keep playing games there? Or are we actually gonna give us a push? That thing's like, you want to push? You want to push? Yeah, I give you a push. I give you a push. I give you a push. Nice little pop. And then we failed at 80 cents though, right? So 80 cents, a little bit of resistance up there. 79. 79. Give us 80 cents. There goes 80 cents. Yeah, so we know that thing obviously has resistance at 80 cents. So that's a bit of a problem. So you wanted to maybe retest like 75 cents and then close about 75 cents. ALBT. Uh, let's go. A meetup, Jill. Yes. Final piece, love it. Oh yeah, you guys need a meetup. All of you people from yeah. Yeah, you guys all live beside each other. Yeah. Are you in, Mikey? Let me see. Yeah, you are. So refresh your Discord in 2 seconds. You should be good to go now, Mikey. Texas. Yeah, so I mean, earlier when we sent that signal, right, we wanted 80 cents because 80 cents is resistance. Once you break above 75, you're looking for 80 cents. So let's see if we can actually break above and stay above 80 cents there next. Alrighty, it looks like GNLN is curling off the kernel there, so that's a good thing. That looks okay. Other than those two, everything else looks a bit sus. Edible looks sus. DWAC looks sus. So yeah, today's a bit of a weird there. It's like those quick scalpies. Why? Why are you moving to Canada? So yeah, Mikey, take a look around. Alrighty. Well done. 78. And it looks like we filled that 80 cents. Unusual volume. Good to go? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I wanted this thing to come back down and retest and hold, but obviously it's not doing that. So let's see if it, at least we got some, at least we got scalpies out of it, though. Sometimes you just have to take your monies and move on. Again, we've explained what the gold candle means, right? Is there anybody in the chat that doesn't know what the gold candle is supposed to represent? Anybody? Right? Anybody not know what the gold candle means? Right? So again, the gold candle means exhaustion, right? Gold candle means it's time to go back down, right? So again, that's the gold candle. There's your sell-off. Surprise! Not, right? So again, the gold candle was perfect on this one. Alrighty. So the only way that I use the gold candle on a small time frame is if I know that there's resistance at that level already, anyways, then I trust it. Right? I trust it, right? Again, if it's a gold candle and it's a breakout, I'm like, oh well, I'm not gonna follow the gold candle. But if I know there's resistance at 80 cents already, and then I get the gold candle, that's two things. And then I see a whole bunch of candles stalling at that level at 80 cents. I'm like, oh, okay. I have three different things now, right? I knew there was resistance at 80 cents. I'm getting the gold candle. I also see like three candles failing at that same spot. I'm like, yeah, catch me outside. I'm out of here, right? And then we dip ski back to the same support we came from, right? And then go from there. Z beat. So you always want to combine like one indicator with some other things. Yes, Yogi. Yes, yes, yes. Right. You always want to combine like we give you all these tools, guys, so you can combine them together, right? When somebody says, "Oh, the RSI looks amazing. Do I buy this stock?" I'm like, RSI is not good enough to just go jump into something, right? Like the Matthew looks amazing. Do I go buy this stuff? Like we're in a demand zone. Should I buy it? Like there's not one indicator that you use to make decisions. You have to combine it with a whole bunch of other things. Alrighty, so and you could see like this is a gold candle. Look at that gold candle at the bottom, right? Again, gold candle at the top means sell off. Gold candle at the bottom means pump beats, right? Look at this gold candle at the bottom here. But what does that come with though? It comes with a demand zone. It comes with a cross above the 9, boom skis to resistance, right? So again, you're trying to combine two or three things always, right? You combine two or three things. If they make sense, you jump in, right? Again, we know the support at 64 cents. That's one thing. We have a demand zone. That's two things. Oh, now I have a whole bunch of candles holding that level. That's another good thing, right? It might not count, but now we're closing a candle above the 9. Send it. Alrighty? Cool. Anyways, so you always want to combine as many things as possible together and then make your decision. Always. Always. And then GNLN still looks okay just because it's holding all these things at the bottom. INDO, Jeff? Okay, interesting. There goes $14 again, Mike. There goes 1420. 1420 resistance, by the way. I say that and it's going to destroy that level like it doesn't exist. Lottery with some news. Interesting. Lottery. LTRY. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. So 1420 resistance on this one here on GNLN. And then the other one that just had news is L. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go back to that name. I just want to see what this thing does here. It looks like it's popping, but then failing at 1420 constantly. Yeah, let me take a look. Lottery. Mm, yeah. Yeah, that thing had resistance right in the way there, right at the 200. Right at resistance. So that one's a bit sketch. Bit sketch on that news. So your next support is 91.90ish cents. If it can stay above it. Virus is moving. He's leaving you guys behind, Jill. He's like, nope, not doing this. Leaving you guys behind. ALBT looks like it's bouncing up 70 cents off the VWAP, so that's good. Right, so that demand zone is slowly creeping up there. And so there goes 74 cents. Sheesh, this thing is all over the place. My goodness. I'm new to Discord. Not, okay, sounds good. Yeah, agreed. There you go. And then it's up to $4. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so GNLN just cannot seem to break above 420 and stay above 420. Yeah, so I mean, again, not buying that thing anywhere above $14 is a good thing, right? But the curl was good though. The curl back above was good, so nice little pop there and then quick exits. It looks like we're back to failing at 74 cents again here for ALBT. This thing is frustrating, isn't it? I mean, again, like I get that we're creating higher lows, and it really is creating higher lows, right? If you like, if I zoom in a bit more, right, it's creating some higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. It's a good thing, only if it stays about 70 cents at this point, right? Only if it stays about 70 cents at this point. uh, on iBits, no, I did not. What happened? From Josh. I missed it. What? I'm scrolling back up here. What did Josh say? What did Josh say? Is it in the demand zone? It is. I mean, kind of, yeah. A dollar 30 to $1.25. And there goes GNLN. Ooh, that thing said, "Hey guys, you don't believe me? Send it." There goes 1440, 1450, 1460. Oof, my goodness. Let's go. Brian, are you making monies today? Yeah, you are in this thing, so you are making monies. You are making monies. Anyways. Yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, that 14, anything above 14 seems to be a problem on this one. And then ABLT just says, just playing too many games. Too many games. Can't really trust anything this morning other than like quick scalpies, Jump in and out, jump in and out, in and out, in and out. And then BURU is bouncing up the 200, so that's a good thing. That is a good thing. Lottery is holding 90 cents for now, so that's okay. So C or RZ swings. So let me look at a bigger time frame here. Looks like we've looked at this one in the past, and we've marked this level as solid resistance here. It looks like solid resistance at $10.50. Uh, Coming off a 4 hour support at $8.30. So that daily, I don't really, yeah. So I like the 4 hour a bit better, just because it actually shows you all the room to the top. So yeah, the 4 hour makes it a lot more obvious why you're buying this thing. So yeah, 450 hold is really good. If that thing can find a way to close above the 200 and the 9 on the 4 hour, I think you're in a good spot. So a close above 9 would be perfect. Alrighty, so anywhere from like honestly anywhere from like like 885 to $9 close would be nice on a 4 hour candle, right? You need a bounce humble. That's what that's what the market makers called scamming. Buy the hype, sell the news, right? So yep, that's what the market makers do. A holiday, let's go. Holidays. Knowles, yes, absolutely. Yeah, beautiful bounce, right? Beautiful bounce off the 200. Yeah. Again, I've said this so many times, like, I don't mind taking gambles off the 200, you know? That's why we have these moving averages on the chart. These blue lines, red lines, orange lines, white lines. For virus, it could be anyways. So really, really good bounce, right? So there are times where, like, again, I will never gamble off the first candle on a 200. But when it's holding that line, like, and it's consolidating above it, I don't mind taking the gamble, right? So you want to be careful now, obviously, when we get to 250, but from 220 to 250, that's a pretty nice bounce. Yeah, exactly knows, right? Exactly. Easy money's on that, right? So 20, 30 cents, we'll take it, right? And there it goes. So these are all little things. I know people, like, when I chat with people, everybody wants like an exact science. Everybody wants like that exact science in terms of like, hey, where do I buy, where do I sell, right? So and we can come up with strategies, and we do come up with strategies and things like that. Uh, but like at the end of the day, like, give yourself 6 months, give yourself a year, you're gonna have so many different strategies, right? Like, I like to do this, I like to do this, I like to do this. So many different things you could be doing, right? And if one thing doesn't work, you adapt a little bit because it doesn't always work, right? And then you try something else. So yeah. Again, I posted a whole bunch of signals in Discord that were below the 9 EMA, right? uh, Even though, like, I say, hey, if you want to be safe, wait for the 9 EMA for the cross above the 9 EMA. And honestly, if you waited for the cross on this thing, if you waited for the cross above the blue line on this thing, you made monies. You still made monies, right? You still made monies. So there's always a safer play, and then there's an educated gamble play, right? So exactly knows, right? Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that 250 is resistance, obviously, and it's failing at 250 for now. So if you took that play off the 200, you made money. If you took the play after we closed above the 9 or the 20, you still made money. If you saw that resistance, even if you didn't, you still made money. So Donzo's, it's breaking down now. Yeah, I mean, we finally got that 80 cents, it looks like, right? That 80 cents we wanted. And then the thing said, yeah, thanks, guys. Really important, though, that this candle can find a way to. Yeah, let's see where this candle closes. Because I think we were looking for 64 cents to the downside, right? So let's see where this candle ends up closing in 48 seconds. And then we can be done with it. We can be done with it. Let's go, Dan. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit better. Dan has been struggling with the sickness, guys. So Dan, good to see you. And Dan's been binge watching movies and laying in beds, which is what you're supposed to do. Much love, Dan. Thank you very much for coming on and saying hello. A little bit better. Okay, good. Good. Just do what Virus does. Virus does some like some things when he's sick, and just ask Virus for the remedy. Yeah, yeah, exactly. It's not as it knows. It is not looking good. There goes BURU with another nice little pop to 250. NNE, Nano Nuclear Energy appoints former congressman and district attorney. Whatever. Whatever. It'll be interesting to see where the market ends up closing today, actually. Really interesting. Let's go, Jeff. Well done. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go. Did your wife make you some soup, Dan? Some soup? Some warm soup? Perfect. Let's go, Dan. Let's go, let's go. Virus, can you behave, please? Told you guys, Virus doesn't like nice things. Don't worry, we're gonna end the day in the green. Probably. We're gonna end the day in the green. Ryan, no comments. West, Lumen is recovering. Let me take a look. Yeah, that's a nice little bounce. $6.30. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, the people that are just more than hot rates members. That, like, if I don't see them in the chat for a day, I'm like, where the hell do you think you? Who do you think you are, Dan? Who do you think you are? Unbelievable. I'm kidding. No, yeah. Yeah, no, because you're gone for the. I didn't know you were sick, and then I had to check the futures channel, and then I said, "Oh, Dan's sick. Dan's not feeling well." Do 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 do. Yeah, no, yeah. Exactly, Dan. Exactly. We spend so much time together that, like, if I don't see you for a day, I'm like, where the hell is Dan? What do you think? Where do you think? Anyways, you know. Exactly, virus. Ryan, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What were you searching, Ryan? How did you find it? ALBT looks like garbage now, doesn't it? Yeah. Take your scalpies, move on. Everything just looks like a scalpy today. Lock in those quick gains, guys. Again, I'm telling you guys, if you don't wake up early and show up to Discord, earlier this morning, when the news came out for ALBT, guys, it was at 25 cents. Right? When I woke up this morning, again, so from 25 cents ish all the way to $1, guys. Everybody was cooking in Discord this morning. Cooking, 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 cooking. That thing was pumping nonstop, just pumping and pumping and pumping, 300%. Right, and then when we show up, when the markets open, we show up. It's like, you get 5 cents, you get 10 cents. That's it, and then crash. Right, so wake up early. Wake up early. Show up to Discord. Let's make monies. Like before the market opened, everybody in Discord was like, you know what, I'm done for the day, guys. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. I made a $1,200. I made $500. I'm done for the day. Right? Yeah, even Virus got into the stock and he doesn't play, he doesn't really play these stonks. If Virus can do it, so can you. Right? Virus got in and made monies and then he left. Right? So and then we show up and then it's rubbish. It's been like this every day for the last like month now. So if you're not a member, become a member. If you don't show up to Discord in the morning, wake up early, right? Wake up early and make monies, please. Right? A whole bunch of these guys are done already for the day, right? So yep, GN looks good. GN is nice copies actually. Nice copies. Oh, wake up early. Right, there goes $15 for GNLN. Oof, looking nice. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Even Sunny made $300. Right? If you make $300, maybe for most people that's their daily goal. $300 a day. What's $300 a day, guys? Well, we're not gonna do the math. I'm just gonna pull up this little screenshot. Right? Look at that. Right? Look at that, guys. Look at that. Right? $300 a day, and you're good to go. Right? So, but yeah, there you go. Doo-doo-doo. Interesting levels on this actually. Let's go, Sunny. So wake up early. There goes another resistance level there, right? So anyway, anytime this thing gets close to $15, it goes back down. GNLN. Say it, virus. Say it for Dan. Actually, never mind. Dan knows what you're gonna say, right? Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Are you not going to bed yet? I mean, it's bedtime. Mm, na 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 na. To me, that thing was like a last, yeah, like a last night to this morning type play. But I'll take a look though, because with these plays that pumpers are behind, yeah. You have two trades. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Grim. Two. Yeah. Yeah, virus ruined it as usual. Unbelievable. We can have nice things, but yeah, the markets look like they're bouncing again. So we're probably going to end the day in the green, even though the S&P is going up and down like that. It's going to play games and then end the day in the green, because it's not like we had horrible news today. I just think we had a crazy run yesterday that the news was priced in already. So, and when it doesn't pump as much as people expect it to, they kind of panic a bit. Let's go. There goes 1470 again. Maybe this time we're gonna break above resistance for Ryan. Maybe this time, Ryan, $15. 1470. Yeah, people seem to be locking in their gains as soon as we get close to the top there. But looks like it's gonna slap it though. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There goes 1550. Oof, that was a nice pop. Yeah, so whenever stuff is doing this, like close to resistance and it's constantly testing, I always feel like it's just a matter of time before it destroys that level. Same thing on the way down though. Like when you keep testing support, it's only a matter of time. Right? Only a matter of time before that thing explodes up. So really good push. Obviously, we're getting a golden candle there. Let's see what happens. This might be one of those cases where like it like it's kind of trying to. Anyways, we'll see. Let's see what happens when this candle's closed. For 1570 at the top of that previous candle. Sheesh. Let's see where this gold candle closes, and then we can go from there. Uh, should I sell even if I'm only? I'd have to look at the chart. Come on. So there we go. That thing is cooking there. Um, so like I explained earlier, right? So this one we might have to wait a little bit to see what happens with, like with like this gold candle range. But I also explained earlier, like the music is a bit loud. When you're getting a gold candle on a breakout, I'm usually a bit skeptical about those ones because it's breaking out, right? But this thing is really bipolar, so this stock is going to be a little bit difficult to navigate. But again, when you're getting a gold candle on the breakout, it complicates things a bit because that thing's like, sure, slap it though. 115, NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Okay. Do, do, do. There goes 1560 again. 1560. It could be a kind of hold, yeah, like a retest virus, yeah. Good gambles. Good gambles. Do, do. I like it's interesting how like GNLN is giving us higher lows and these candles, but at the same time the top is it's not like we're really until now. Until now, and maybe it's about to change that. Right, the candles are going to the same spot and failing, but it's still creating higher lows. So that's always interesting. Monkeypox. Why? What happened, Wes? What happened? Monkeypox. Uh, which is back to the last level of support. Yeah, I see a whole bunch of hype for XPON. A whole bunch of hype. Yeah, so I mean, these candles are popping, but they're all failing at the same spot. So be very careful with GNLN up here. Right? It's like pop, 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 but then end up at the same level. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not really a theme that like has caught the hype yet, though, right? Even though like GOVX kind of looked okay. Uh, yes, let me send you an invite then. Copy. It turned green, yeah. Yep, yep, yep. BURU doesn't look horrible, does it? It does not. It does not look horrible. It just has all this resistance at $2.50. $2.50. And then we're still just stuck on the same spot here. From 10 always no, 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 no. Yeah, Chris, it sold off. Yeah. Honestly, that I don't know if that thing ever gave us a reason to. So let me pull up the chart. SGD safe and green, right? It's a really good run. But I mean, we haven't really talked about this one today, other than when it bounced up the 200, right? That was a nice little scalp, right? But again, like when a stock is trending down like this one, like this, you know that the like if you buy this thing on the curl up, make sure you lock in the gains because it's gonna continue trending down. So it's gonna continue to trend down. This is why when something doesn't look good, just get rid of it, right? Obviously, it hit resistance. There's a lot of resistance up here, right? So when it hits resistance, you either don't buy it, or if you do buy it, make sure you lock in those gains. And if it doesn't look good, move on because it's gonna go to the abyss. And BU, are you still fighting? Kimbella, it does, doesn't it? So $2.50 needs to let go. And there goes GNLN again, still popping, but still in the same spot. Do, 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 do. Dan, are you still scalping the markets or are you just taking a bit of a break? A bit of a break. Bullish influencer. Interesting. Interesting. Tesla puts. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. See, that's the one thing that you can guarantee to make to get puts in and make monies. But no, you decided to go ruin other nice things. You know, virus. Yeah, no, I agree, Dan. Yeah, when you have COVID, it's pretty exhausting. You just want to lay in bed and just just sleep. Yeah. Yep. Just want to lay in bed and sleep. Yeah, looks like everything had a nice little pop there, Wes. Sheesh. Everything had a nice little pop. Like I said, I'd be surprised if the market doesn't end the day in the green, but who knows with this crazy volatility. And if we somehow go all the way back up to like 543 and we push into the close, forget it. Forget it. We're going back above 550 virus. Sell the puts. Justin, what did you do last night? Where did you go? Where did you go? Yeah, BTC is always the last thing to pop virus. Always the last. Always the last thing to pop. Do, 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 do. Bitcoin pisses Tesh off, you can tell. Don't worry, Tesh. You're not alone. You are not alone. Yeah, this one looks dead. And there goes GNLN, right? So when something is just stalling like that, honestly, it might be time to take some profits, right? When you see something going sideways like that, lock in those gains. Unless you just have a stop loss somewhere that you're okay with, right? Right, Wes. I'm on the 1 minute for now. Yeah, it is curling. Nice little demand zone at 57 cents center and curling. Uh, uh, Yeah, love it. Love it. Uh, la 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 la. Do, do, do. Okay. Oh, let's go, Lena. Let's go. Well done. No crying if that thing keeps going to $20. But let's go. I want to. I almost want to go find your entry now. Well done, Lena. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Monies. $10.80. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Sheesh, I'm telling you, like the gold members. Woof. Mike and I had a one-on-one whenever that was. Mike is cooking now. You listened, Lena. Look at that. I love it. Let's go from 1080 to 1540. Let's go. Come on. I like the goat members, guys. I like goats because they cook. Lena and I had a one-on-one yesterday, and she listened because Lena cooks, but then she gives away the monies. And now this thing is gonna cook. I knew it. That's why that's the first thing I had to say. But Lena, good job. Ready? Good job. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. I think the market is the mind. Is the market will mess up with your mind. The markets will mess up with your mind. It's crazy. You know why? Like I immediately said, like Lena, don't cry if this thing goes up. Is because so Lena's biggest problem has been like buying stuff and then being greed and then letting it go to the abyss and then waiting, and then holding and waiting for it to come back. So every time Lena buys something, she's like, oh, it's gonna, and then it goes down. She's like, oh, it's gonna go back up. It's gonna go back up, and then it crashes to the abyss. So like the one time that she sells and she's happy, it goes up, right? That's why I'm saying the market is a mind game because that's exactly what's happening here. That's exactly what's happening. I knew they were gonna do that. Yup, there it goes. That's okay though. Three, two, one, boom. Again, you made some really good money, Lena. Like I told you, your goal is not to buy the top and sell the bottoms, or buy the bottom and sell the top, right? That's not the goal. So your goal is to keep making monies, right? And look at it crash. Look, oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. Exactly. There you go, right? We just went from $16 to $14. Yup. And then we're back to $15, right? So yeah, you should be happy because you basically sold at this price and it's still at the same price. So they have earnings today. Oh, Raven. Look, what does a penny stock report for earnings? Bankruptcy? Unbelievable. So good job. Yeah, take profits on the way up, guys. If you sell the stock at $15, it goes to $20. You made $5 and it went up another $5. Whatever. Whatever. I know, right? Yogi, isn't that crazy, guys? Isn't this crazy? The curse is still alive. Every stock that's at the top of the list when the market opens is cursed. Cursed. Every single one of them. Every single morning we show up. Well, except for the one time. But then again, that thing never really did anything for like 5 hours though. I declare bankruptcy. Yeah, like what's a penny stock gonna announce? Exactly. So like, anyway, you never know though. You never know. You never know. They might say, we're merging with Mullen, and then let's go, John. Oh, that's why. That's why the stock dropped, guys. Uh, it's just a reminder. Priced at the market for. Wait, is that a new? Is that a new filing? Is that a new offering they just did for GNLN? Or is that an old one? Acted as private placed at the market offering. I need to go August 5th. Oh no, so yeah, so that's an old one, I think. But that's why the stock dropped like that. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh my goodness. And then all of a sudden,
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
ah. Oh my goodness. JR says, any entry on EJH down 95% yesterday? I'll take a look. EJH. Stupid China scam. And it's down another 25% today. Sheesh. Nasty. I bet you there's no reason for me to look at the dailies there. I mean, it might be a gamble. The only entry on this trash is 11 closer to 1150 with the stop loss right below 1150 JR. If I wanted to buy this thing, I'd be looking for close to 1150, as close as possible to 1150, and then a stop loss right below. Like when I say right below 1150, I mean like right below 1150. So entry maybe anywhere below 12 cents, right? Anywhere below 12 cents, stop loss is below 1150 is what I'd be doing. Yep. Jaden has. It's the laugh, He's laughing. Jaden broke. Jaden broke. Yeah. Why, Kivella? I played it already. Why? It is really funny. Yeah, it looks like we're just stalling at this price, Mikey. So be very careful. As much as we had these two pop candles, there's a lot of resistance. But honestly, even that though, Mike, was a good play, right? Like that initial close above and then the pop, it was nice. Quick scalps, easy monies. Checkouts in 99 cents. Let's go, Jeff. Yep, another candle close and then another pop. Okay, fine. You guys, we love it. Okay, fine, guys. I'll play it again.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
The laugh at the end gets me every time, though. Every time. Jaden broke. Yep. What other videos do we have on? We need to change the setting for that video. Yeah, and then I need to get more videos on here. It never gets old, does it? There you go, 16 cents, $16 again. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's Kimbella's favorite video for sure. La, la, la. Oh, that's the Boomski one. I need to re-upload that one because I think I had to delete it for another video. Yeah. Let's go, Kimbella. Was that 16.50 at the top? Yeah, $16.50. It's always impressive when you see stocks like this go from $2 to $16. It's very nice. Very nice. uh, your manager is talking. What's your son's name, Doche? Ah, that's too funny. Let's go, Jeff. Let's go, let's go. Oh my goodness, you had to pick the hardest name to pronounce. The hardest name on earth. Like, is it pronounced like Ian or like, is that like that, Ian? You picked the hardest name. Like Eden, but Ian? Yes, yeah, it's pronounced Ian. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Hi, Ian. Hi, hi. uh, when virus gets to heaven, I think what God is gonna do is He's gonna pull up like a list of, how pull up the list of like your sins. Virus is just gonna be like, yeah, the scroll is gonna roll down. I just keep rolling. Virus is gonna say, you know what, it's okay. I know where I need to go. Don't worry, don't even start. I know where I need to go. Uh, Ryan, you too? No, I don't believe you. Virus is on his own. Uh, oh my goodness. And then God is gonna say, "Don't worry, virus. This is the forgiven scroll. Just wait till we pull up the other scroll." Uh, yes, Dan. Yes, yes, yes. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, Jeff. To break the downtrend, yeah, it's trying to. Yeah, 57 to 56 cents it seems. Yeah, it's coming off like a pre-market demand zone. So yeah, 57, 56 is and then when virus gets to hell, they're gonna say, "Don't worry, virus. Don't worry. You don't go with the general population. You have your own private suites. You are hell's your mod, your manager." Oh my goodness, Dan. Dan has COVID and still roasting. Energy to still like think of roast and still roast. Do, do, do. Oh my goodness. Even with COVID, I could not be saved. My goodness. VIP entry, James. Yep. Yep. Standing ovation as virus is walking in. Virus, virus, virus. Uh, too funny. Do, 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 do. And the person that's going to be next is whoever's keeping Bitcoin below 70K. That person's not nice. Stupid Bitcoin. Uh, no, absolutely not, Jeff. M goal? Is it actually moving, or are you just like spamming that thing because you've been diamond handing it? I mean, it's not bad though. Like, it really isn't bad. M goal, you know. It hasn't gone to the abyss, so that's a good thing. And it's been holding, like 470. So yeah, as long as it stays above 470, 460, you're fine. As long as it stays above that level. Obviously, like anytime it gets close to to $7, you want to be taking profits, but you haven't been taking profits, so you're still waiting for $10. Seriously, Ryan. Seriously, unbelievable. Stupid Bitcoin. We're gonna love it again when it pumps, right? EJH has gone back to the lows of the day, right? So sometimes when the stock is trash, honestly, you just leave it alone, right? EJH is clearly garbage. I'm sure at someday it's gonna run though, but today is obviously not that day. But make sure you have a good plan though, good stop loss. BURU still holding, like it's failing at 250, but still holding that 200 EMA. And then the other one that's been cooking, obviously, is GNLN. Right? GNLN cooking. That thing cooks to 16 and then comes right back down. So Lena, still no regrets, right? Still no regrets. You know how many times you could have? Ooh, look at that thing drop! My goodness, $15. Wow. Sheesh. Lena, no regrets. Doo-doo. Sheesh. Some of these candles are crazy. Doo-doo-doo. It just seems like one of those stocks though that will keep giving you opportunities, up and down, up and down, up and down. Uh, la la la. RBEN. Let me take a look. I mean, it did bounce on the 200, yeah. Dang, Tesh is having tea and cookies, guys. Tea and cookies. Ooh, wee, Tesh. Nice. XPON. Slow and steady. Not bad. 13%. Not bad at all. Ayo, Sosai, good morning. Viri's on the move now. Good. Good, good, good. Ooh, 330. Nice, Jeff. Very nice. And Wes. Wes, what done skis? What done? Are you still in that position though, Wes? For Aviri? XPON and VERI. Yeah, maybe just lock in your profits though, Raven, at the end of the day. Yeah, it just broke above 10 cents. So yeah, maybe you lock in your profits before they get to earnings, and then you're A-okay. A-okay. You sold at 310? Okay. Good little scalp though. Nice, good job. And thanks again for sharing, Wes. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, Raven, yeah. XPON, the bottom feeds. The bottom feeds. Actually, that was your number one name. Your number one name. Yeah, 10 cents is always a problem for these penny stocks. 150? Nice. Yeah, the pumpers are pumping that thing too for sure, Raven. They are pumping it. Okay. Yeah, no earnings after the market closes. Uh, Schedule. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hmm. There you go. How's the weather in Canada? The weather is amazing. Amazing. Actually. Yeah, no, the weather's been good. I went for a walk yesterday. I was like, do I go to the gym or do I go for a walk? Nah, the gym is overrated, you know? I'm kidding. No, then I went for a walk. And the weather was really nice. Really, really nice. I need to do more stuff outside, you know, until like so when winter comes I don't have any regrets. No regrets. Uh any smoke? No, no smoke from the fires, no. Yeah, no, it was smoky for a day or two, but then it cleared right up. I think they learned their lesson from like last summer with all those fires, so they seem to be handling it really nicely this year. Yeah. Ryan, what's your stop loss at? Kimvela, you did say you were going to the gym, so did you go to the gym? Did you go to the gym or this weekend? Doo-doo. Yeah, that thing looks nice. The other one on the right hand side. Yep, look at it go, guys. If you are holding VERI, congratulations. That was a good breakout too, right? Again, the times where honestly, like a lot of times where you look at a stock and you're like, okay, I noticed that this thing keeps failing at this price. Obviously. Sometimes you just have to sit back and wait for the breakout, break and close above. Like just wait for the breakout because when it does, you can make easy monies that way, right? So that was a good breakout. So congratulations if you're in this one. Where again, Wes has been spamming this one in trade ideas, right? Wes has been spamming this one in trade ideas. SOND. Let's go. Very beautiful. Uh, the past 2 weeks, William. Wow. Okay. Monies. Uh, hmm. Yep, there goes another fail from 15, $16 again. 11 was my buy and stop. $11 better not be your stop, Brian. I'm gonna. $11 better not be your stop loss. I will find you. $11 better not be your stop. I think better be way up, all the way up. And carry water heaters. Yeah, water heaters. Uh, Perfect, Wes. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's still looking really good, but yeah, absolutely. I agree. 340 to 350 ish. 1350. Fine, fine. Exactly official. Only up $1,000 today, Grim. No, some days will be like that, right, Grim? I know your goal is like above $2,000 a day, but right, but some days will be like that. And good job, good job, good job, good job. Tomorrow you're gonna you're gonna be back to cooking, right? So get some sleep, and we will see you later or tomorrow morning. Alrighty, see you tomorrow morning. Exactly, exactly. At least it's not red. Yep. Uh, 200 test again. Good night, Grim. I mean, it looks like ALBT has found a new bottom. So see if it actually does anything from that bottom. How much more time do you have? Veritone. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, there's some good scalpies. It just seems very slow. La la la. You're on track. Don't worry too much about the exactly, Troy. Yeah, yeah. There's some days where Grim makes like $5,000 a day, $4,000 a day, $3,000 a day. So, yeah, if that goal is $2,000 a day, well on track. Well on track. Already, Dan. Yeah, yeah. It's a bit on the slow side. Get well soon, Dan. More resting, and then we will keep in touch. Already. Much love. Good push. Okay, sounds good, Justin. Sounds good. Good to have you back. Good to have you back. Please and thank you. Screw futures. uh, there you go. Features. Let's go, Troy. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I think. Yeah. I think when it comes to futures, I think you know what like Troy does is perfect, right? Slow, consistent gains, right? Daily goals, daily goals, daily goals. But I think if you're new to futures and you focus on the people that have been doing it for a little bit and they're making like crazy money in a day, um, you're gonna end up losing. So, gonna end up losing. Exactly, Troy. Exactly. Focus in your own path. Yeah, the S&P is cooking again. Yeah, honestly, we're not even, like we're not even surprised at this point, right? Um, like we said earlier, the market's going to end up closing green, right? So, AO Pablo, AO. Mikey, what's your question? What's your question? Pablo, I was asking if you guys wanted to join my other league. Like it's $100. So let me know if you guys want to. Let's go, Pablo. So what are you doing today? What are you doing? Yeah, no, I tagged you guys in the soccer channel. So let me know. Yeah, it's East. It's on the move. Yeah, no, it's okay. That's one stock I don't like. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stocks I don't like. So yeah, yes, yes, yes. Uh, to help in yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely official, absolutely. Yes, 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 yes. Lena, are you happy you sold this thing now at $15.40 because it's $1 cheaper now? Yeah, I think you have multiple accounts official. I think you have another account. Um, yeah, I think you have another account. Ooh, is my computer dying? Apple lied to me, guys. Apple lied to me. Apple was like, "Oh, your computer is supposed to have like 18 hours, 22 hours of battery life. 22 hours, okay? 22 hours. 22 hours of battery life. How long has it been? Like 3 hours? And my computer's about to die. Well, they forget the yeah. They also forget that we also push to the max, We don't just let the computer sit there. The computer has to work. um, you know? Anyways, it doesn't just sit there. Unbelievable. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Troy. Uh, it, It would have been there by now, Raven. No, 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 I got it. Yeah, I got it. 3 hour battery life. It never lies. Only freeze from time to time. No, I'd rather have it die than freeze. $5 is a big deal. Exactly, Lena. Exactly. How much did you go all in? How much money did you make? Maybe I don't want to ask, but I can tell you're happy, so I'm happy. Good job. FFIE is at 16 cents, guys. FFIE is at 16 cents. No, really? 16 cents? Wow. There you go, right? This is why. Just keep doing that, Lena. You're going to be cooking. I told you, right? $500 a day, big monies. End of the year, rich. So, no more home runs for you. Anyways, yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? From $3.90, $4 to 16 cents, guys. Yep, this is why you cannot diamond hand stocks. You cannot diamond hand. I mean, honestly, even the people that sold at 50 cents, they're like, oh my goodness, thank God I sold this thing. Why? Because it's 16 cents. Let's go, Raven. Uh, some of the parts they picked, yeah. Yeah, very cool. Yeah. XPON, resistance. No, it's 10 cents. Did I say point? No. Do. Sheesh, spice cooking, guys. Cooking. Yep, a little bit of scamming this morning, back to the highs of the day. The only thing that's garbage today is Bitcoin. That's it. I see it's BTC, Bitcoin. uh, yeah. Do. Yep. That is your support, Ken. Sweet is on sale. Three for $1. Yeah, that's okay. Entertain as long as you're making monies. It's okay to be scared. Just make monies, please. EGH is still kind of play with 11ish, so yeah, pretty slow. Pretty slow, like later morning, isn't it? Pretty slow. Yeah, let's give it 5 more minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna hop off and go do some one-on-ones. Alrighty, guys. So 5 more minutes. Ooh, let me go see your computer. Sheesh, that's very cool. Dang. Sheesh, that is very cool. Back to the Future themed. Yeah, that is very cool. Huh. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot, guys. Come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord. Exactly. Guys. Tesh is never gonna join. Tesh is a slacker. Tesh that doesn't join anything. Tesh does not join anything. Do, 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 do. Good, good, good. The colors are nice, William, right? Yeah, very cool. Very, very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, virus, what happened? What happened? What happened? Uh, actually, yeah, let's do that. Hmm. Here we go. Mara, no, no, no. I'm done with dipskis. No more dips. Zero. I'm not buying a single thing anymore, unless we have a crazy crash. But yeah, no more dips. Yeah, I know, right? Uh, no more dips. I bought so many dips. Uh, yeah, Nitro. I know, right? Yeah, maybe in the afternoon. See you soon. I emptied my checking account. Um, obviously, like my scalp account, that's different, right? We scalp with that, so took some monies out of there, took some monies out of my savings. You know how they say like have an emergency fund? Yeah, that thing was gone skis. Gone skis for the dips. I all the monies in my checking accounts just to buy dip skis. I bought all the dip skis, so no more dips. Unless we have a crazy, crazy, crazy dip skis, and then I'm gonna start selling other things to buy more dips, but in other accounts, because yeah, thank you, Nemo. Tish, yep, 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 yep. uh, so yeah, no more dips. Do, 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 do. After that comment, yeah. Yep. Uh, yeah. I mean, yeah. I'm happy about the dips though. There's not a single thing that I'm red on. Not one. Not a single thing. The Bitcoin dips green. Long term dips all green. Green on every single dip. So like I am happy with that. But yeah. Let's stay green. Yeah. 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 No, exactly, virus. I'm happy. I'm happy that it's all green. It's hard to see red. It was red, but yeah. So the only way I'm gonna touch any more dip skis, the only way I'm gonna touch dip skis is like if we have Oksana, the only way I'm gonna touch any more dip skis, the only way, the only way I'm gonna touch any more dip skis is if the market crashes. If the market crashes, then yeah, and then we could touch more dip skis. But for now, absolutely not. When it was in the 20s, but still green, Lori, yeah, yeah. Ruben, no, I looked at it, but I haven't played with that thing today. West, that thing is going back up to the highest there, 345 for VERE. Doug with a nice little pop. ALBT is testing the 200. Yeah, everything just looks sus, honestly. Sus. 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 411, Jeff? Okay, nice. Good jobs. Good job. Ryan, are you connected to Discord? You should be, right? I know you couldn't use Discord because you were. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure you're connected and good to go, Ryan. Ready? And if you need a link, just send me an email. But you should have it already. You just need to connect. Uh, I don't understand your question, Steve M. Steve M. Don't understand your question. At $12? No, I did not. I did not. Ooh, the S&P is cooking, guys. Ooh, wee. Virus, just give us 550. Take my words back. Give us 550. And then all-time highs, and then all is, well with the world again. Are you looking for an entry? Okay. Into Ruben. Let me take a look. Yeah. I mean, the only good thing here is that it's holding the 200. So like 365, and then that thing you almost need to like 365. Yeah, like it's not at a bad level at all. You just need to make sure you put a stop loss below 360 though, right, or below 350. But you need to put that stop loss though, because if that thing closes below 365, your next potential support is 310, right? So again, it's been bouncing up this level, Jameson, right, quite nicely, right? So that's your hope. Again, don't like that it's constantly testing support, but if it can stay above it, then not too bad. But if it closes below that, it opens up like room all the way to the abyss down here. So that's a big problem, right? Yeah, let's go, Jameson. Yep. I mean, that thing said, oh, Jameson is coming at 365. No, let's go up. It's already back to 375. It popped immediately. right? Because that was a good level. Troy, do you not like nice things? You know, when you see the market going boom skis, do you not like nice things, Troy? Just let it go. Let it go. You and Virus need to, unbelievable. Anyways, any last questions, guys? So we can let me know. Any last questions? We're gonna hop off and already to the moon, please. To the moon, please. Virus. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Have a wonderful day, Giovanni. Have a wonderful day, Raven. See you in Discord. Exactly, Tesh. You know, they see nice things and they're like, okay, when's the S&P gonna go down? Leave it alone. Let it go up, please. Let's go, Ryan. Yeah. And again, we're gonna hop off. 83%. Let's go, Virus. See, you're enjoying nice things. So, Jay, have a wonderful rest of the day as well. See you in Discord. See you in Discord. When that makes no sense. But I'll send you another one. Uh, NNE, Michelle. NNE. NNE. Yeah, that thing's bouncing nicely there, Jameson. Bouncing nicely. Yeah, that's a good pop for Dogly. DGLY. NNE. Nano nuclear. Nice. Nice, 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 Michelle. Good push. That thing looks like it's actually a quite nice stock. Nice push. This thing has actually behaved really nicely today with the levels, from the breakouts to the curls. Really good looking chart. Nice push. Alrighty, guys. Again, be safe. Raven, yeah. Be safe. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we will catch you guys in Discord. Alrighty. If you do become a member when the stream is over, just send me an email. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Send me an email at the top. Alrighty. Much love. Thank you all. Bye, guys. Bye, all.